So in this video, we are looking at 3 consecutive downtrending CPR. We are looking for a bearish stocks for swing trading, maybe a couple of days to maximum 3 days, right? So, the condition here is we are on a weekly stocks, just weeklies. We are basically on a weekly CPR. We are below 200 EMA, right? An unbalanced volume, right? Unbalanced volume should be decreasing in 5 consecutive bars on a 1 hour time frame. Okay. So with this criteria, we are just basically starting by volume. Okay. So AMD has twice the volume. That basically it's bearish all across. Okay. Let's look at AMD. Okay. Let's go to CPR. Okay, we are on a 1 hour time frame, weekly CPR. Okay, so we are looking at first stocks AMD. Okay, you can see AMD, you can see a sell signal, CPR trending down, so it's bearish. You see, if you can spot, if you can basically on next Monday morning, if you see a candle with a lower wick, no upper wick, opening below, you can take the trade to the downside. Okay, so this is highly bearish. You can see all the time frames are bearish. Okay. So next one is AMD's volume also is high. Marvel, MRVL. Let's start by market cap. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. Okay, chart. TSM. Okay, it's bearish. CPR is trending down. Volume is also bearish. RSI is bearish. All the time frames are bearish. Okay, you can see across the board everything is bearish. Scan WMT, NVDA. This is also trending down, bearish. You can see volume is bearish and also RSI is bearish. Okay, scan NVDA chart. There are plenty of stocks to short. Okay, so NVDA also is trending down. Okay, so here is a list of stocks. You may probably also can look at indexes, right? If you want to just short the indexes, like XLK is one technology index. Okay, so if you want to do that, that's also a good option. Okay, if you sort by volume, Cisco, CSCO. It's also trending down. You can see volume is down. Sorry, it's trending down. Volume is down. Volume is up. Down. RSI is down trending. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. So here are the stocks: AMD, NVIDIA, Cisco, Marvel, TSM, Qualcomm, KHC, WMT. Okay. Generally, technology area is very going down. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. If you are looking for this CPR scanner for free, please let me know. We will send you the scanner. Thank you.